Here now to discuss this are Debra Opri, family law attorney, Amy Baker, psychologist and author of Adult Children of Parental Alienation Syndrome. How much of the claims against the other parent are actually true, or what's your experience with embellishments, for example?
Well, you know, Joy, in a court of law, when you sign declarations under penalty of perjury declaring that what you're accusing the other party of is true, the judge, unless there's other evidence saying this is not true, is going to assume it is. But we have to remember, these are two parents, and if Gabriel filed a paternity action, it means it's gotten so bad in the communication and the dialogue of the parents that he has to seek court intervention. What the judge is going to do is say, okay, assuming this is true, assuming that you have both lost your temper, Mr. Aubrey, you've used the N-word, which is totally inappropriate, what was done in front of the child? So they may be going to anger management classes. There may be a 7:30 evaluation to see the custody arrangements, what's best for the emotional and physical needs of the child, and health, safety, and welfare issues. But in the end, even though there may be control issues that Hallie is asserting because she doesn't like what the natural father is doing or not doing, he has equal rights. And in California, we have a push in the legislature for a 50-50 parenting plan, and this, I am guaranteeing, is going to be in Gabriel's best interest to say, stay out of the press, I want my equal rights, I'm a good father, I am her father.
But is it in Hallie's best interest? Is it in Hallie's best interest?
The question is, what's in the child's best interest?
If I'm going to argue, if I'm going to argue it's in Hallie's best interest, I would say it's inappropriate for him to be using the N-word and losing his temper. But the court doesn't want to know that. The court wants to know what's happening in front of the child, because that's all they care about, not what they do between texting and voicemails.
But there is this thing with celebrities where they leak things to the press. Is Facebook and now a weapon being used? Maybe Debra knows this. Is Facebook and Twitter, are those weapons being used by regular people now? Not good.
Yes, right. It's not good for the child, because this child somewhere up the road 10, 15 years from now is going to have full exposure to what is being said and what allegations are being made. And I would not want my daughter, and I'm speaking on behalf of Hallie right now, to have heard a father say the N-word about the mother or the child. It's not appropriate. In the same respect for Gabriel, he has rights that a mother can't arbitrarily say, hey, you're out of the picture because I don't like who you're dating and I don't like how you're speaking. There is a level of frustration and emotional angst, if I may, that the court is going to temper and shoot it down immediately by getting both of these people into counseling. The fact that it's in a courtroom, Joy, is not boding well for Hallie at this point in time. Right.
But, you know, Halle Berry's kid is 2 years old, as you point out.
This all goes together under the term parental alienation, and it's bad news for kids.
She's very correct in what she's...
Go ahead.
She's very correct in what she's saying, Joy, because the first thing that's going to be discussed is, with Halle Berry, why didn't you give the father a say in the school year? Why is there so much tension in the house? It takes two to tango. And in a 7:30 evaluation in the state of California, there's going to be a psych evaluation, and this is not going to bode well for either parent.
No, they are a stunning couple, though, I must say.
They are.
I mean, look at them.
I know, and their daughter,
and the daughter is a beauty, too. It's so sad. Even if they weren't beautiful, it's still sad.